So just yesterday, I came across a brand new feature on one of my favorite crypto trading exchanges, which is Bybit. Now, I'm not being paid to make this video. I just thought it would be a really helpful tip for anybody looking to improve their trading game, or just anybody that's interested in investing and trading in cryptocurrency, harnessing and utilizing the power of AI, artificial intelligence, which of course, if you haven't been in a cave in 2022 and 2023, is taking over the world. AI, artificial intelligence, is helping in many different areas of the world in business. And of course, it's no different to making money in crypto investing and trading. So without any further delay, and of course, after everybody has obliterated the like button, really helps guys when you smash the like. I appreciate that. Do subscribe for further educational content as well. Let's get straight into it and see how TradeGPT works, how to use it, and of course, just as importantly, how not to use it. Let's get into it. So here we are on the Bybit website. Those of you that use Bybit already will be quite familiar, know how to use it. If you're not already using Bybit, highly recommend it. Great crypto trading platform. And for anyone that wants to give it a go, link down below. Not only by using the link down below will you get 30 days for free trading, but also up to $30,000 in bonuses. It does require you to KYC if you want to use Bybit. My recommendation for no KYC is using Apex Pro, which is a DEX decentralized crypto trading platform. I have videos for both on my channel, tutorials, and you will find them in the description down below and cards up there. But let's look at this great brand new feature, TradeGPT. So you can click on it here. You will need to log in, so have an account to use it. But of course, you don't necessarily need to trade to do it. So once you've created your account, literally takes 20 seconds, you can start using this brand new feature. So let's log in. Now, the great thing about TradeGPT, unlike something like ChatGPT, is that it is dynamic. It is built in to the Bybit exchange. It understands what's happening with the price action right here, right now. So I'm going to give you some examples of how you may want to use TradeGPT. So first up, as an example, here are some popular questions, or I guess examples that Bybit are giving us that you can ask TradeGPT. And of course, you can customize these, manipulate these in your own way to get kind of the information that you want. So it's important to mention that TradeGPT, it's not like a genie, it's not a crystal ball, it's a tool. It's an assistant that you have in your pocket, so to speak, when you're trading to help you make informed trading decisions. So for example, a kind of question you may want to ask is, analyze Ethereum today. Then suggest at least 3 trading strategies. So to give you an idea on one of these suggested questions, let's click on this. Analyze Ethereum today, suggest 3 trading strategies, explain why, and it's going to give you a detailed answer, not only about technical indicators and strategies that might be relevant at any time, but of course, the exact prices that Ethereum's trading at now. It's going to give you an ideal entry price, an ideal stop loss. It's going to give you a bit of a tip on strategy, and it's going to give you another option on strategy as well. But of course, that's quite generic. Let's ask it something a little bit more bespoke, let's say. Let's say you wanted to trade XRP. So let's say you had even a long trade open on XRP at the moment. You could say, what is the current support levels for XRP right now in the short time frame? Okay, so you might be trading XRP, you might be looking at day trading or scalp trading. And let's see what kind of information TradeGPT gives us. Well, it says, according to the technical indicators analysis provided, the Bollinger support price for XRP in the short time frame is 47.5 cents. So this means that in the current market conditions, there is a level of support for XRP around this price point. However, it's important to note that technical indicators are not always accurate. Fine. So what this has identified is that there is technical support at 47.5 cents, and it could be a good place for an invalidation if you are longing XRP. So that's just one way that it can help you. Of course, it's still a manual process. It's not going to put the trade on for you, although it will prompt you with the relevant coin that you asked about, which is XRP. Of course, if you did want something a little bit more fluent, a little bit more automated, you can use an actual trading bot, which is a different thing entirely. For example, I use a platform called CryptoPilot, which is an automated AI trading tool which actually plugs into Bybit, as well as Kraken if you're in the US or Canada, and it beats 99% of the retail market. The way it works is it actually connects straight into Telegram, and you can use the smart Telegram bots. So you get the signals, but the signals are simultaneous with your Bybit or Kraken account. You can view things like open trades, closed trades, and to show you an example, I mean, look at these results that it's been doing over the last 10 trades. You can see a 70% win rate, 15% ROE. Let me show you even over the last 20 trades, 85% win rate, 60% ROE. So if you want to check out CryptoPilot, you can actually try it entirely for free. You don't even need to put in any credit card details. You don't need to commit. You can try it out for free, and there is a link in the video description down below if you want to try CryptoPilot out. But yes, a couple of other things you could use TradeGPT for is really just to get an idea of the trading range. So for example, you could say for Ethereum, you could say, what is Ethereum's support and resistance levels? I have to spell that correctly in a moment, resistance levels for today. And it's going to give you quite a good response because it has all this information. So it's going to say, according to the technical indicators, 7 days, backtested, it's going to give you the support price and the resistance price. So obviously that is very, very helpful. Another example could be something like, tell me 3 altcoins that are undervalued right now, for example. So these are just examples. You can really use it dynamically how you see fit. It's not giving the specifics here, but what I mean by that is saying I cannot provide real-time financial advice. However, I can give you the names of 3 altcoins are often mentioned as potential undervalued. So it's giving you Cardano, Chainlink, VET, for example. I mean, like I said, it's a good tool, but it needs to be used in conjunction with a trading strategy, with correct money management. And I would recommend it because it's an additional tool, of course, you can use. So once again, if you want to check out Bybit, not just for TradeGPT, Bybit is a really good crypto trading platform for all different things, different trading. It has every different cryptocurrency you can imagine, spot, futures. It has things like copy trading as well, leaderboards, smart bots. But yeah, link down below for your bonus, 0 fees. Let me know in the comments what you think of TradeGPT, how you're getting on with it, and make sure you're subscribed for future videos. Take care. Bye-bye.